The Nothing Phone 3 is making waves across the internet, igniting conversations on various social media platforms. Carl Pei's brand has earned a strong reputation for seamlessly combining sleek aesthetics with cutting-edge features, and the excitement surrounding its third flagship smartphone is at an all-time high. As leaks and rumors continue to flood X, formerly Twitter, we are beginning to piece together a clearer image of what to expect. Reports suggest a potential launch in mid-2025, and if nothing sticks to its previous release patterns, a July unveiling seems highly probable. This anticipated release could play a crucial role in redefining the brand's standing in the ever-evolving smartphone industry. However, the most pressing questions still remain: when will it officially hit the market, and what groundbreaking innovations will it introduce? Before we explore all the details, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It truly helps us grow and keeps us motivated to bring you the latest updates. The excitement surrounding the launch of the Nothing Phone 3 began to build when well-known tipster Abhishek Yadav hinted at a possible release in July 2025. This prediction seems to align with Nothing's previous launch patterns, as the first Nothing phone made its debut on July 12, 2022, followed by the Nothing Phone 2 on July 11, 2023. Adding weight to this theory, multiple sources on X have echoed similar expectations, emphasizing that Nothing strategically avoids the crowded fall season, which is typically dominated by major players like Apple and Samsung. However, earlier teasers released by Nothing in January caused some confusion, leading many to speculate that the flagship device could be arriving much sooner. Instead of unveiling the Phone 3, Nothing introduced the mid-range Phone 3A and 3A Pro at an event on March 4th. This unexpected reveal only fueled further speculation, making it even more likely that the true flagship model is still scheduled for a mid-year launch, most likely within the first half of July. What do you think about the expected release date of the Nothing Phone 3? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to drop a comment below. Last year, Carl Pei hinted that the release of the Nothing Phone 3 might face a delay, emphasizing that the company is prioritizing the integration of AI technology into the device. His statement suggests that the Phone 3 won't be just a simple upgrade over its predecessor, but a serious contender in the high-end smartphone market. Conversations on X indicate that this upcoming device could boast top-of-the-line hardware, with rumors pointing toward the inclusion of the powerful Snapdragon 8S Elite chipset. If true, this would make the Phone 3 the most advanced and capable smartphone Nothing has ever produced. In contrast, the Phone 2 was designed to be a strong mid-range competitor, featuring the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. However, with the Phone 3, Nothing seems to be making a decisive leap into the flagship category. Additionally, the recent launch of the 3A series further supports this strategy, suggesting that Nothing is reserving its most premium features and cutting-edge innovations for its top-tier smartphone lineup. Beyond the highly anticipated launch date, multiple leaks suggest that the Nothing Phone 3 could arrive with some significant enhancements. Subtle hints from the company's teasers indicate potential improvements to its signature glyph interface, possibly introducing innovative lighting effects or expanded functionality to make it more interactive than ever. While furthermore, early design renders have sparked speculation that this model may debut with a triple camera system, a major first for the Nothing Phone lineup. Many industry experts predict that the brand could finally incorporate a telephoto lens, enabling users to take crisp, high-quality zoomed-in photos without compromising detail. Another intriguing possibility is the adoption of Sony's cutting-edge LYTA sensors, which, if included, could dramatically enhance the phone's overall camera performance and elevate Nothing's mobile photography experience to an entirely new level. When discussing the potential pricing of the Nothing Phone 3, opinions among tech enthusiasts are quite divided. Some industry analysts and fans predict that the device will come with a noticeable price hike, pushing it into the $700 range. This speculation is based on expectations that the phone will introduce significant hardware and software upgrades. However, many others argue that Nothing will continue to uphold its core mission of delivering a well-balanced combination of affordability and premium features. If the company stays true to this philosophy, the price is expected to land somewhere between $650 and $700. This would allow the Nothing Phone 3 to remain competitive in the market while still offering a high-end experience for users. With just a few months remaining until July, the Nothing Phone 3 is already generating significant buzz, positioning itself as one of the most highly anticipated smartphone releases of the year. In a tech landscape that is rapidly shifting towards AI-driven features, Nothing has a golden opportunity to carve out its own space by staying true to its signature, minimalist design and user-focused philosophy. If the company successfully delivers in terms of performance, software experience, and groundbreaking innovation, the Nothing Phone 3 has the potential to be a true disruptor in the industry. industry. As excitement builds, all attention is now on Nothing, eagerly awaiting the official announcement that will finally put an end to months of speculation. What are your thoughts on the Nothing Phone 3? Are you looking forward to its release? Share your excitement and opinions with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Take care. Bye.